everyone. We are here outside in this beautiful park off of Renaissance Drive, and today we're switching it up a bit and we're bringing you an outdoor workout that you can do. Just be outside and enjoying the fresh air. Driving up here, I did wear my mask to physically get on location, but once I'm on location, I don't have anyone around me, so I'm going to put my mask away and I'm going to go through this workout without the mask, okay? So just bear with me for a second. For today's video, we're going to be using two bands. So we have a large loop band that is purple and it perfectly matches my mat. And then we have a blue loop TheraBand, and I'll show you exactly what to do with those. And today's video will focus mostly on a leg workout, so follow along. So we're going to walk over a tree, and that tree is going to be your second piece of equipment that you need for this video. So I'm going to take my loop band and I'm going to tie it around the tree like so, okay? And we're going to use both ends as a handle. From this position, we're going to stand, feet shoulder width apart, okay? Engage our core, and we're going to start with some basic squats, all right? For the squat, imagine you have a chair behind you. So we're going to shift our hips back, and we're basically literally sitting down at a 90-degree angle, bringing the shoulders back and hold. 1, 2, 3, come all the way up, squeeze the glutes. And again, we'll go all the way down, 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, and up. You may want to do 10 repetitions of that. And we're going to do a HIIT video. So right after that, we're going to jump into a lateral lunge. For the lateral lunge, basically still holding, you're taking your left leg, cross it over, and back. And back. That's the second exercise. And the third exercise you're going to do, still holding onto the band, you're going to come a little bit closer, separate the feet a little bit wider, and from here, we're going to pull. So pull, 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 and again, you'll do that 10 times to work the upper. So you have 3 exercises back to back, and make it a high intensity workout, or if you want, after each exercise, take a little break, okay? Up to you. And now we're gonna come over here and use the second band I have. And for that, we're gonna loop it around the ankles. Working on my balance here a little bit. So that's 1, switch it over, that's 2. Straighten out the band, and we're going to practice lateral stepping, okay, with a little bit of overhand expression. So we're starting at the end of my band. If you want, you can do this to the whole length of here, but starting from here, I'm going to take a step to the right with my leg, squat down, and then bring my hands overhead, and then back down. So it's a squat, shift, lift, squat, lift, squat, lift, squat, and lift. And you go the other way, so it's a squat and lift, squat and lift. And you'll do that repetition about 3 sets of all 4 exercises. Excellent leg workout. Guarantee you will feel the burn, and it would be very beneficial if you want to work on your leg strength, your hip strength, getting ready for that summer body.